It's not a joke to say that 3 people caught in one night and left late. This kind of wooden bowl sells for 1,000 yuan. No matter how it falls, it's still not broken or broken. The material made of this super-grade fengmi is the log just shipped back from the mountains, which contains a certain amount of moisture, which helps to lubricate the cutting tool. First, the worker measures the diameter of the log and cuts it into small pieces with a chainsaw according to its size. If there are knots or scars cut out, then it is necessary to mark it, because this position cannot be used. Make sure that there are no cracks in the made wood board, and then the workers in the next process will cut the wood into 2 pieces according to the marked position. 3 remaining logs are not needed, but the cut log is the raw material of the wooden bowl. The worker mounts it on the lathe, installs a custom-made cutter at the other end, then starts the machine, and angrily criticizes the high-speed rotating arc cutter, driven by the machine tool to slowly approach the wooden pea, and then cuts off the outer bark of the wooden pea. Don't look simple. The worker needs rich experience to grasp the depth and force of cutting. Each wood can make about 4 or 5 fungus of different sizes, which is about like this. Then send these finished wooden boards to the steam room for 4 hours to soften the wood evenly into the pores of the wood, and then air dry it for 30 days. After it is thoroughly dry, the top edge of the wooden bowl is polished flat and then used, but the sanding machine drives a sanding belt to smash it along the outside of the wooden bowl. This kind of machine is very convenient. If it is polished manually, only 1 piece can be polished a day. Now it only takes 20 minutes, and the inside of the wooden board is polished smoothly with the same version, and then the electric saw flattens the bowl pen so that it can be laid flat on the table. In addition, this position can also be used to carve the wooden board with product information and patterns. This process enhances the texture of the log, making it look more beautiful. After the paint sets, it turns into a unique piece of wood. The bowl is durable, can be passed down through generations, and is cost-effective at 1 or 2,000 yuan.